Vice President Kosano Chiwenga is fired. A veiled broadside. It follows ZANU-PF allies, warning that the liberation struggle was never meant to benefit a corrupt few while sidelining the majority. Sana pena mashukano muda pana batona vipi Kosano Chiwenga votaura pamusoro pevano vari kunzi comrades vari kudya nezvigananda kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina vana paMzimai vanoendera mberi vachiti we should remember the everybody fought for this country, the freedom fighters, the Chimbwidos and the Mujibas, the mothers who cooked. It was a collective effort. In what many observers believe was a direct jail at President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his close allies, Chiwenga declared that a small, politically connected elite should not hold the fruits of independence. In quotes, all of us who are seated here are not the Alpha and Omega. There are generations to come for which we should guard jealously, he added. Chiwenga's comments come at a time when Zimbabwe is reeling under the weight of widespread corruption. The Mnangagwa's inner circle repeatedly implicated in looting public resources. From murky gold smuggling syndicates to multi-million-dollar tenders awarded without transparency, Mnangagwa's administration has become synonymous with impunity. Chiwenga's remarks reflect growing misquiet within ZANU-PF. The unity touted after the November 2017 coup that ousted RG Mugabe is now under immense strain. Analysts see the vice presidency's consistent appeals to liberation values as the challenge to Mnangagwa's patronage system, which has hollowed our state institutions. Zimbabweans are tired of fake slogans and empty independence speeches, said a political analyst who declined to be named. Chiwenga's tone is that of someone preparing for a reckoning. Doma Shoko anobuda achitaura panguva nezvinzi aiwa makwedzi avp Kosano Chiwenga anoratidza kuti aiwa is planning for a huge reckoning panguva ino achiramba to corruption achiti aiwa this small group iri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa zvigananda zviri surrounding the president they must be removed. Tudze mafunguro imbi nekomment section medu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.